Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the central dogma of molecular biology. So, every organism has the genetic information, and that every genetic information is stored in the DNA. And the organism must able to pass the genetic information to the future generation, and the future generation must able to express um, that genetic information if they want to survive. So there is one unique mechanism, the central dogma of molecular biology or central dogma of life, that is the formation of another copy of DNA from its own DNA is known as DNA replication, and the formation of the RNA from the DNA is known as transcription, and the formation of the proteins from the RNA is known as translation. There is one another thing, the formation of DNA from the RNA is known as reverse transcription. It occurs in some viruses. We will discuss detail in later. So first stage of gene expression is transcription. It is known as the first stage. What happens that the genetic information that is stored in the double stranded DNA of the eukaryotes, that is the human beings mainly, um, is translated is transcripted in the mRNA is RNA based sequence. The information is stored in the RNA based sequence, and after formation of that RNA, the RNA is the messenger RNA that have the base sequence, the information. It means the information that was stored previously in the DNA is transcribed in the RNA, that is form of the messenger RNA is the base sequence form. So later the base sequence form of the RNA that is stored in the messenger RNA is translated to amino acid sequence of the protein, and that is the central dogma of the molecular biology. And we'll read detail about a DNA replication. We'll read detail about the DNA replication. We'll read detail about the transcription. We'll read detail about the DNA replication. We'll read detail about the transcription. We'll read detail about the translation. We'll read detail about the DNA structures, the RNA. Okay. In the subsequent lectures, I will teach you the detail about the structure of the DNA, the DNA replication, the transcription, the types of RNA, and the process of translation, how it occurs. We will read these details in the subsequent lectures.